Tonight marks 1 year since Hurricane Maria struck the island of Puerto Rico.
And students were recognized for their hard work after going to Puerto Rico and lending a helping hand to those affected on the island.
News 12 Nightside's Eric Stelzer spoke with some of those students.
Well, students here tell me they jumped at the opportunity to give back to Puerto Rico and say they would do it again in a heartbeat. These CUNY students honored at Hostos Community College after spending a portion of their summer repairing and replacing roofs, windows, and doors, as well as sanitizing and removing mold in homes. More than 2,000 CUNY students applied to help out. 200 students were then selected to go to the island, along with SUNY students and volunteers. This was all part of the CUNY Service Corps Puerto Rico initiative, along with the governor's New York Stands with Puerto Rico recovery effort.
I am from Puerto Rico. My family's from there. My mom grew up there. So I related a lot to that. So I wanted to do more, and when I got that email, I said, you know what, this is what I want to do, this is important to me, and I was so grateful to be chosen.
And organizers here tell me this trip was such a success, they're already planning a trip back to the island. At Hostos Community College, Eric Stelzer, News 12 Nightside.